Hello, beautiful people. I'm Louisa Fonya, and I'm going to be taking you throughout the process for your ID card, your passport registration, your business registration, tax registration, enterprise registration, and many more other advantageous things concerning accounting or business. So, welcome to your first free lesson. With this lesson, I'm giving tips and require in order to obtain your ID card, your passport, your taxpayer's card, your company registration, your business registration, and many more. So begin with obtaining your ID card. In order to obtain your ID cards here in Cameroon, what you need to know and what you need to have is your birth certificate certification, your court judgment certification for those who are having court judgment. Court judgment is a document that comes attached to your birth certificate for people that has to redo their birth certificate. That is birth certificate that is not from birth. You need your location plan. You need proof of student if you're a student, or proof of work if you're a worker. You need to have your nationality. That one you do it at court. And if your ID card has been missing, you need to go to police and do lost document in order to be able to attach to the other document. And lastly, not forgetting your online enrollment form, which is very important because it's on this enrollment form that you go to police and they do your half picture and your fingerprint. All information will already be there if you have followed out the online filling very well, which I'll be taking you through the subsequent lessons. Why for passport? What you need to do is to certify your ID card. You go to police, they do certification of ID card, they stamp it. You also certify your birth certificate. You also do a sketch of your location. If for children, you need parental approval form, so you need to do parental authorization. And two, for passport, you fill the biometric online registration form before taking it to the migration office. So I'll be teaching you that on the subsequent lesson. For your passport, you also need proof of work or proof of student if you're a student. Okay, for those who want to obtain a company registration, what you need to have is your ID cards of your shareholders, your taxpayer's card of your shareholders or the main manager itself or the CEO itself. You need to have your article of association. You need to have notarial signature on your articles of association. You need to also have a location plan of your business premises. You need to have a taxpayer's card and you need to have a known conviction. So that is it. So when you have all these documents, then you are ready to start. While for a sole proprietor or an enterprise, what you need to have is just your ID card, your passport, ID card or passport. You need to have a sketch of your business premises. You need to have your known conviction. So that is it for the requirements that you need to have in order to obtain such documents. Based on this free lesson and the tips I've given you, you can push through with so many in order to obtain either your ID card, your passport, taxpayer's card, company registration, business enterprise registration. Not forgetting, for more in-depth on this free lesson, I'll upload a PDF document based on these various explanations with some few in-depths that you might want to take into consideration. So click on it and go through it. Kill me.